Today we have come up with a great indicator for you. The indicator will give you valuable support in trading. All of us are desperate to get new indicators that help in trading. So to help you and fulfill your wish, we are coming up with a new indicator. So the indicator we will share today is Trading Session Indicator. Through this indicator, you can know when a session is starting and when a session is ending. Hope this indicator will be useful for you. Today we will give you this indicator for free. We will have only one request, that you watch the video till the end, give a like to the video, and leave a comment. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. We all know that there are several trading sessions in Forex, like London session, New York session, Tokyo session, and Sydney session. One session is running at a time and sometimes two sessions are running together, which is called overlap. This time is very important because during this time, there is a lot of movement in the market, due to which it is much easier for you to trade. Today we will share such an indicator so you don't have to remember the time, or you don't have to see when a session is starting or ending. The indicator we will share will tell you if there are currently any sessions running or overlapping. Anyway, it is completely free, only for FOREXBD's followers. Only request is to watch the video, then if you like it, give a like and share your opinion by leaving a comment. You can see an indicator here. You need to extract it. If you have WinRare on your device, you can easily extract it. However, please note how we are doing. If you click the right button of the mouse, some options will appear. From here you can extract it. Next to it is written extract here. Click there and your file will be extracted. After extracting, one file will be created. Copy it as your task. After copying, you are done with this. Then you will open your MP4 platform, then click on the top left menu. You will get many options. You can see an option called Open Data Folder. Click on it, then your file will open there. You will see a folder called MQL4, so click on it, then you will see another option called Indicators. Now you have to open this folder, so click here. Once opened, paste the indicator you copied earlier here. Now it's over for you. Now all you need to do is close your MP4 platform. We have previously set up the indicator in the same way. We have pasted our indicator and closed everything now. After closing it, open it again. After opening, then you click on Insert option, which is given above. From here, we will find the indicator we set up. So from here, click on Indicator option, then you will see some more menu there. Click on Custom Name option. Then you can see many indicators in front of you. From here, we will find the indicator that we downloaded and set up it. To set up, just click on the indicator once. A small page will appear there. Click on OK. The indicator will be perfectly set up on your chart. Then you can easily use the indicator we have set up, and you can see it on the chart. Remember, this indicator does not work in big time frames. For example, it does not work on day 1 or larger times, but you can easily use it on small time frames. Here you can see a box shape, and this is one trading session. You can see its name next to it. When a session is started, this indicator will show you like this. Here you can see that the New York session is written, and it also marks how long it was running. Also, you can see overlap, that means two sessions are together, so we can see two boxes are together. This way you will know from running market when any session is running. You don't have to calculate time for that. You can understand just by looking at the chart itself. Now let's see where you will find this indicator. If you want to get this indicator for free, write your email in the comment box. By doing this, FOREX BD Team will send this indicator to your email. I say again, if you need this indicator, then write your email in the comment box, then the FOREXBD team will send you the indicator on that email. After watching the video, I hope you will be able to set up it.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREXBD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREXBD can meet your needs all the time.